Before you begin, remove the top cover, display bezel, and display panel. Important: make careful note of the routing of the camera cable for later replacement. Removal: disconnect the camera cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the camera cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Disconnect the camera cable from its connector on the camera module. Replacement: reconnect the camera cable to its connector on the camera module. Reroute the camera cable in the routing channel on the display enclosure. Reconnect the camera cable to its connector on the system board.